Okay, now I'm going to record startup of the system because the system is error, unable to restart. I switch off everything. So with the battery already connected, now it's night time. Basically there are no solar, but I switch on this is from solar panel. This is what we call this, surge protector, and this is power supply from utility from government, and I switch on. So when that switch on, this happen. The system couldn't detect the battery. I've not yet switched on the button. Now I'm switching on. Okay, now I switch on. Immediately the error 09 come out. It shows the fault and error code 09. Besides that, I cannot see what is that. And the system failed to run. I don't know how to start. Now I'm going to switch off. This still error code does not disappear. Oh, now the sound disappear, but the error code is there. Still couldn't. Let me try to switch on once again. Still nothing happened. This error code remain. Now I'm switching off, and I'm going to switch off the main power supply from the government, from the line. Switch off and everything off. Please help me. I don't know what to do.